Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Last time I made a video talking about thrift business. If you want to start a thrift business, the kind of clothes you need to buy, the kind of clothes you need to avoid, and a lot of people were asking where to buy thrift. I also stated some markets in Nigeria where you can buy thrift clothes. Now these are my thrift wears for sale, so I'll be sending them to Nigeria. And if you want to buy thrift wears in Nigeria, you want to do thrift business, follow me on Instagram at intralinebeauty_thrift, Facebook intralinebeauty_thrift. Now, like I said last time, I need to show you examples of the kind of clothes you can keep in your store for a long time. You know, these are second-hand wears, in as much as some of them are still looking very new. In fact, most of my thrift clothes are still looking new because they're hand-picked. I didn't buy them as bail. I don't sell bail. I took out time to choose them individually. So now take a look at this. This is a chiffon top. You can keep this in your store. Even if someone doesn't buy this immediately, you can keep it for another 1 year, 2 years. It's still going to look exactly like this. It's still going to be looking new. But if you buy a polo shirt like this, after 6 months, after 1 year, with the dust, people are touching them and all that, they're not going to look the same. I mean, you're not going to like them. That's the truth. But I still bought few of this because there are people that are going to ask for things like this. It's still beautiful, but you're not going to sell them at the same price. No matter how beautiful this looks, you can never sell them at the same price with this chiffon blouse. Look at this. So now let me show you what the chiffon blouses look like. You need to know how to select. You need to look at the color. For the fact that it's second hand, you have to look for something that is attractive. It doesn't have to look dull. Make sure you're not having tears around. Even if you have a tear, let it be something you can work on. What I'm putting on now is one of the thrift tops I have. I got for sale, but I like this, so I took it for myself. So look at this. Things like this are really going to sell very fast because people will buy things like this. In fact, they buy them as casual outfits and for work as well. So look at this. Even if you're going to buy a polo shirt that you want to sell at the same price with the chiffon tops, they have to be very, very special like this. If only you can feel the texture of this material. Look at this. Someone will want to buy this at the same price with the chiffon top. You can even wear this to work. It looks very matured, very, very beautiful. Look at this. The texture matters a lot. The kind of material. You will always see a lot of skirts, but one thing you should know about skirts is people don't buy skirts too much. You understand? And in thrift stores, people don't buy skirts too much. But there are few that you know that people will always like. They're going to, have them for work. Things like this. Just few. I took just few skirts, but I have more of tops. This is a sleeveless top, but it's chiffon, so it has value. It really has value. You see how clean they are? These are all thrift wears. It's better you don't buy thrift wears for sale rather than buy rubbish, because by the time people keep seeing rubbish in your store, they're going to lose taste. Like, they'll feel you don't know what you're selling. In fact, they're not going to buy from you. They're not even going to have interest in buying the beautiful ones. They won't be patient for you to bring out the beautiful ones. So they have to see that what you're buying are all clean, that you have very clean things. Look at this. And it has a top. These are all thrifts. Can you see how clean they look? So look at these tops. These are all chiffon tops. Look. You need to know, if you want to do thrift business, you can make money if you know how to select good things. If you know how to choose very nice clothes, you make a lot of profit. And scarf, you also need to look at scarf. People are buying scarf a lot. So scarf are another things you need to look out for. People are buying scarf a lot. And take a look at this. How I've paired this. This is just a scarf. I'll be selling at wholesale prices. I'll just make a video of them for people to see them one after the other. Can you see? So that's all for now. Next, I'll be showing you the adult gowns, and after then, kids wears, the shoes, the clothes, how to sort them. In fact, I just have a lot to show you. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and Click the like button if you like this video. Leave a comment and I'll take out time to reply every comment. Thank you so much. Bye.